Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, Kill Gamers, and it's raining, but there's supposed to be a waterfall up here. And over there.
Up here and
Yeah. Then what I also found that was cool, guys. Look at that. The clouds are actually touching the mountain. Looks so awesome. But yeah, guys. We are now in that place, and we got 16 miles. And I was wrong. We deliver at like 7 p.m. tonight. We'll just be there at 16 miles. But yeah, we don't deliver until 7:30 tonight. And here, I guess it's coming up. I'll turn it sideways for you guys.
lights are.
Oh man. God. I'm sorry guys if you didn't see that. Really it's better if you're going the other way. But
There's a little waterfall up there.
Yeah. Anyways guys, there was a big waterfall, but I could barely see it, so yeah. So I'm sorry about that, there was no waterfall, unless if you guys saw a little bit of it, but